Hello everyone. This application is all about schedule survey and follow up. User can create set the specific dates and automatically send follow up accordingly. Users can schedule the survey for future dates and choose to enable follow up reminders with option for one time or recurring follow up after a specified number of days. So now I'll show how the survey module is configured and how the reminders and follow-ups will be shared. So I'll go inside the survey module. In here you have a question and answer. Inside that you have a follow-up configuration. So here you will be able to configure the follow-up. So you can give the scheduled name as weekly, monthly, or daily based on the scheduled name. Follow-up duration, one time, two time, or multiple time. Follow-up days after. Once the survey is created and after how many days this survey need to be sent for the reminder or follow-up can be set up here. And once this is done, you can go to the survey module and here you can create a new survey. So I'll create a new survey called food quiz, and here you will be able to see allow survey cron. So this survey and follow-up will be run based on this cron job, that is scheduled action in a database. I'll tick on this. So you can see the survey schedule date when the survey is scheduled, and you can share this to the survey partners. So whomever you want to share this survey, you can put here, and you can select the future date also for survey schedule date and allow survey follow-up. Clicking on this, you can see the follow-up configuration which is done here. So after selecting that, based on this follow-up configuration, survey schedule date, this follow-up date will come automatically after how many dates this should be set up. And once this is done, you can create a question. So here you can create a query. So I'll create a question as what is food. So based on this, you will be able to see the multiple choice or the multiple line or single line or the numerical value or date time and matrix. So I'll select single line text box and I'll save and close this. So you can add different type of section and you can have different type of questions and you can save this. So once this is done, you can test this. If you click on test, you can see the start survey. So you can see what is food. I will click here and you can submit it here. So this is the test survey. So you can come here. So once this is done, based on this shared survey partner email ID provided, a cron job can be run. So I'll show you in the scheduled action. So the scheduled survey and the scheduled follow-up will be done. So based on this date, it will automatically execute. So now I'll put run manually. So based on this cron job, the scheduled survey and scheduled follow-up will be provided and the partners will receive this reminder. So once this is done, you can see how this mail will be triggered for the partner. I'll go to the email ID and you can see here participate to food query survey, and here like this, dear partner, we are conducting a survey and your response will be appreciated. So this body will be shared with that particular partner. Clicking on the start survey, you can see they will be arriving at this survey and they can complete this. So once the survey is completed, you can print, you can generate the survey report also. You can click on this button and you can click on save. So based on this survey report, you can see who has attended the survey and what is the survey name and what is the email address, what is the deadline and what is the access token, what is the scoring and what is state. All this report can be set up here inside this survey module. So if you have any query, then please note down and please comment in the below section, query section. Don't forget to like, subscribe our channel. Thank you.